Let's design a block and connect some cavities. For the sake of brevity, I've already inserted most of what we'll need. Let's start with this port on the top. We can use connect cavity to connect it to port 1 of cavity 3. I'll use the navigation cube to switch to the top face to move the cavity to a more centered connected position. I want to connect port 6 to the purple port, so I'm going to have to move it to a different face and use connect cavity. I can connect the port on the back face without changing position from the main view. And while I'm in that corner, the green connection is a simple one. But let's say I want to connect to the yellow network, but for design purposes, can't change the face of either cavity. In this case, I would insert a construction port, as seen with the expander plug. I'll connect with one cavity, and then I'll connect with the other cavity to complete the net. Now let's check for errors and run a design check on what we just created. All good.